If you look at what Hyro has, all right, 3D has 5 lines, and it's a little disorganized, but his 3D has 5 lines, and he's drawn 7 electrons. So he has 7, and I draw half arrows, mainly because it's faster than drawing full arrows. And then he has 2 arrows that go down on the first 2. No, I think he's got 3 there. Is it 27 or 28?
27.
And he's got 1, 2, no, that's on 4S. Okay. So he's got 7 arrows like that. All right, which is a little hard to see the way he's got 2 lines of 3D on that last orbital notation. Questions about cobalt? Now, Salma's is a little easier to read down there with arsenic. Questions about either of those in the opening?
No. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't even do it on my paper.
Say what?
Can you do it? The electron configuration.
It's already done. It's right there.
I know, but I don't understand it. She wants you to explain it. Yeah. You don't like it? Oh, I don't.
What sublevel goes beside 1 through 7? All right. The next row starts at what number?
2.
Putting what sublevel? All right. The next row starts at what sublevel? And then the last row starts at, and then I put what sublevel? All right. From there, I have to draw in lines, and the lines have to be diagonal. Now, this is the important piece, because if you draw the lines wrong, then you read your chart wrong. All right, this is why I tell you to use lined paper. I've done this long enough, it's easier for me. But see here where mine got a little offline right there? Yeah. It's easier to shift that if you're not paying attention. All right, so when I look at this, Liliana, all right, arsenic has 33 electrons according to what Salma wrote down, right? Now, when you do an electron configuration, you're just doing total electrons. So in 1s, how many electrons can you put in that S sublevel? 2. So I put a 2 here because it can only have 2 electrons. Now, that's not 33 electrons. So back to my chart. At the bottom of this arrow, where do I go? To the top of the next arrow. So when I read down, what's the next thing I see? So I write 2s. How many electrons can, again, go in an S sublevel? All right. So 2 plus 2 is how many electrons? Okay. So I'm not at 33. So back to my chart. I'm at the end of this arrow. So back to the top. What's next in line? So 2p. How many electrons can be in? All right. It was 3 lines, but how many can go on each line? 6. So I'm going to put 6 there because we're showing total electrons, not the lines. Okay, so 6. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10. I'm still not at 33. Back to the chart. What's after 2p? So 3s. How many can go on 3s?
2.
So I'm at 12. Back to the chart. From the bottom up here, what comes after that?
3p.
How many can go on P?
6.
Keep going. What's next?
4s.
How many can go on 4s?
2.
Keep going from the bottom back up here. What can go next?
3p.
How many can go in a D? It's 10. 5 lines. But again, we're not doing the lines. We're doing the electrons. So 5 lines can hold 10 electrons. So let's count again. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. 18, 20, 30. We're almost there. So after 3D, the next thing is, so I write 4p, and 4p can have 6, which would get us 36, but I only want how many? 33. So 30 plus 3 will get me 33. And that's how we do an electron configuration. Does that help? Anybody else? All right, can we talk about homework? All right, so homework, the first one I asked for was which one? Which one? Ca? Calcium has 20 electrons. 1s has how many lines above it? 1 line. 2s has how many lines above it? 2p has how many lines above it? 3s has how many lines above it? 3p has how many lines above it? And 4s has how many lines above it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Questions? What's next? Sulfur. All right, sulfur has 16 electrons in it. So 1s has how many lines above it? 2s, 2p, 3s, and 3p. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, this time I only need 4 more. How are they going in there? Where did you get a tennis ball from, and why are you throwing it in the air? I don't want to see it move. If it's yours, put it away. If it's one of mine, put it back where it came from. Then put it up. All right, so I'm on 12. So when I fill them into this 3p, how do they go into 3p? Do I do 1, 2, 3, 4 like this and leave an empty room? No, okay? They fill singularly according to Hund's rule. One goes into a room. The next one says, I'm going to take my own room. Number 15 says, I think I'm going to have my own room too. But then number 16 comes along, and what does he have to do? Share. He's got to share. So he goes there. Questions? All right, what was the last one with orbital notation? Antimony. What's that, 50, 51 electrons? Yeah. 51. All right, I need to end on 5p3. All right, so 1s has 1 line, 2s has 1 line, 2p has 3 lines, 3s has 3p has 4s has 3d has 4p has 5s has 4d has 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5p has. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Now, I have 3 left to go to get to 51. So, where's 49 going? Individual. They're all going individually. Questions? All right. Now, electron configurations. Who are we doing? Who? RB. So RB has what, 37? Yes, 37 electrons. All right, what's first in my chart? How many can I put there? Next in my chart is, how many can I put there? Next? How many can I put there? Next? How many can I put there? Keep going. How many? Next? Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Questions? All right, next. I know. SN? SN has what, 50? Yeah. Okay. So we have what to start with? 1s2. Mm-hmm. Yep. Uh-huh. 3d10. Good. 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 Who? Who?
5P.
5P,
2.
2. If I cruise back to my chart, after 5P, where are we at? We were at 4D, right there. Will take us to what? 5P. Okay? So 5P will take us to 5P2. Okay? And that's the hazard. If you get offline in the chart, you read the wrong thing next. And particularly if you're copying your answer over for the next one, then you do the next question wrong too. All right, so for lead, can we just read that one out loud instead of me writing it down? All right, so for lead, we're going to 82 this time. All right, so we start at 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 2,
4F14.
4f14. All right, after you do 6s2, we cruise back here. After 6s2, what's next? 4f14. Then what's next? 5d10. And then what? 6p2. We'll get you 82. Lead's 82, yeah. 6p2. Questions? All right. Now, if you need help with that, we'll be doing it sort of off and on today, but we need to learn to read 2 other notations today. All right? Huh? Tomorrow. I'll even tell you what it's on. I'll even tell you what the questions are going to be.
What's it on? Is it on this?
You're going to get 2 orbital notations. You're going to get 2 electron configurations. You're going to get 2 dot diagrams. And you're going to get 2 shorthand notations. And it will be your final grade of this quarter. Okay? I am.
The 2 last ones is the ones you're teaching today?
I am. All right, everybody got it? Moving on.
I'm at go and get one of your pens in.
What time am I leaving today? Usual time, 4:30. I'm not staying to 6 o'clock.
I'm at go.
I don't care if it's the last day for old makeup work. It's not my fault y'all waited to the last day. Same thing with Tuesday. I'm not staying to 6 o'clock either. I'm leaving at 4:30. What is wrong?
I'm about to get one of your pens
No,
in.
I'm just saying.
I'm about to get one of your pens in.
All right, dot diagrams. All right, dot diagrams are one of those things, if I had to guess as to which one you will see on the final exam, this one would be my guess. Because there are only 45 questions on the exam. First of all, will you see every... Not you, I'm yelling at the new person beside you. I want to make sure she's accustomed to my personality. I yell at you every day, okay? I'm giving you a break. I want you not to feel left out. You have paper. Get some out. Okay? Pretend for just a moment that you didn't learn this at South Davidson. Write down, practice with the rest of us. Now, given that the exam is only 45 questions long,